copy that and go all the way to AMB BTC and buy that right away. Okay, so we have 2114. Let's copy that. All right, so we've copied it. Let's go over to KuCoin and see what we will get. What do we have here? It's 3567. Let's hope there's profit here. All right, so you just like paste that there. Okay, so we get 0.00754. All right, let's just copy that and go and check it whether we're going to make money or not. Alrighty, so let's see. We're going to be selling. Let's sell it sharp. Let's put that one in there. Okay, so we get 20.22. Wow, let's go check what that is in calculation. That's 20.22 minus 19.85. Wow, that's 37 cents. Interesting. And don't forget, we gotta have to subtract, the transfer fees, but we'll go check that right away now. I mean, it looks like it's promising. So let's first of all go and check how much we are gonna withdraw this. Okay, so let's see how much we are gonna be able to withdraw this. So we're gonna put that AMB in there, and we'll see. What is this? What is the network? Okay, it's Ambrosos, and it's one Ambrosos. Okay, that's one AMB. Okay, so one AMB is not that much. Let's go over to let's go over here. Let's go back in to see how much is one AMB. One AMB. If I want to buy one, let's see. Oh, that's okay. No, this is not where you get it. We're going to get it from the USDT side. So let's put one here. It's really less, not even up to a cent. That's good. So we gotta be fast before this thing changes. Let's quickly do this. Okay, let's see. Are we still good? We're still good. Let's hope we'll be able to get this sold, because I know trying to buy something with BTC, it's always an issue. But let's keep our fingers crossed, because I can see if we want to buy this really fast, we'll have to buy it at 0.0036. Let's try that out. We need to try this out to see whether we can get this sold immediately, or else we're going to be in this queue for like forever. Okay, let's see. So first off, we were able to get, so let's see. Let's tap on this 36. We're going to see whether we'll make any money with this or not. If it's not working, we're going to just cancel it. So we're going to put 0.00074. That was what we got. Wow, 20.55. That's really low. This is gonna be bought immediately. But would we make money from it? That's the thing. We don't know. 25.5. So let's go. This is what we call advanced simulation with the order book, right? So we're gonna have to put the AMB there and see whether we're going to make any money. If we're not making any money, we're going to have to be stuck in the queue, and that could take like forever. And maybe before it even executes, the arbitrage opportunity has gone. So that is the thing. We need to take quick advantage of the arbitrage opportunity. So I'm trying to see if I buy, with a higher price, would I be able to make money? Well, let's see. Doesn't look so. Doesn't look good. Let's cut that out and check. But it doesn't look good already, so I'm not sure this is going to work. Yes, let's sell it and let's see what we get. Nah, this is 19.68, nowhere near 19.85. So the only option we have is to try and see if we are going to be able to buy the AMB. And if that doesn't work, we'll be forced to sell it back to BTC, to sell the BTC back to USDT. So do we want to try this out? Let's go with the flow. Let's see what we're going to do. We're going to just go ahead and see what we're going to get. So that's 0.0074. But the only thing that is giving me right now, what I call it the heebie-jeebies, is because once we buy with this 7.4, it's going to reduce a little bit. So I'm concerned, but let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. There's no harm in trying. And if it doesn't work out, we sell back. All right. So first off, we need to get BTC. All right, let's be sure that everything is still set. This is at 3.5. Okay, it's 9,400, and let's go to KuCoin so that we are sure that we are still having the opportunity still there. If it's not there, we ain't gonna go further. Let's see, where's BTC? What do we have here? 3565. I have to check this out one more time. One more time. I think what I did was 2114. I'm not sure. I think so. Let's put that here. 0.00074. 2114. Let's see. I know we're taking time, but if it's not going to work, there's no need going ahead. Okay, so if I sell this, what would it give me? Still looks like it's good. Okay, so since it's good, let's go ahead. We've got nothing to lose. We've only got something to gain. So let's go and get this BTC fast. All right. So BTC, USDT. So let's see what we will get. Okay, so right now we are going to get our BTC. We just need $20 worth of BTC, and it's giving us 19.86. So let's go ahead and buy. Does it look like so? I think so. I think it did. Well, let's wait for it. Oh no, it didn't. It didn't. Okay, that because almost it did right before our eyes. It sold off. Okay, so we have. I told you it's gonna give us 739, but wow, that is not what I was hoping it would give me. But let's go ahead and see in the AMB BTC. Okay, AMB BTC. Alrighty, so here we are. Let's go ahead and buy and pick up everything. Wow, it's like we've lost 2 out of the 2114. Good. Okay, let's go ahead and place the order. Okay, it's placed the order right now. Definitely we're going to be in the queue. Yeah, I told you. So let's see how long this takes, and I'll be back to give you the results. But if I find out that BTC is pumping high, I'm coming back to change this back to my BTC, changing the BTC back to USDT if it goes up and it pumps. But before I go ahead, let me see what exactly, how much did I even, how much did I pay for? How much did I pay for the BTC? 26,847. Take note of that. 26,847. I'm going to keeping my eyes on that, right? I'm going to keep my eyes on that so that we will get the best out of this, okay? So whichever way, we're on to making profits. That's why we're here on this channel, to make sure that any trade we do is profitable. Whether we get to the final crossing line or not, we got to be profitable. All right, let's hope this is not going to waste our time, and I'll be back to share with you the results. Okay, I'm back and we're still on the queue. So it looks like I'm gonna have to cancel this. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I would be able to push through, but this one, I'm canceling it. So let's cancel this because I'm seeing that BTC is higher. So let's go and see how much USDT we still have. I just want to go and check. Let's go to BTC. How much of USDT do we still have? We still have 13 waiting for us here. But if you can see, because we bought this at 26,847. So if I sell, let me see what's going to happen. That's going to be 19.61. No, I'm gonna lose, right? So I might have to go over to convert. It's like it's becoming one of my favorites now, but this time around it's gonna have to be limits because I want to make sure that I make more money, right? Well, what did we actually buy it as? I just want to make sure that I don't forget, because we have to look at the exact amount that we bought, okay? So we're going to check. I think we bought it in 2 different tranches, so we may not be able to pick it up. I think if we look at it, this is 18.5, this is 1.34. So that's together 19.86. I think so. What am I saying? 19.86, something like that. 19.86. Okay, so whatever we are going to get this in convert, that's limit order to be precise, I'm going to have to make sure that we get more than 19.86, okay? Maybe like at least more than 19.87. Okay, so let's go and see whether we can do this. So if I put in the max here, but first, what do we have here? Oh, this is supposed to be USDT. All right, so the max, let me put max here. And when you put max, you're going to have to click on enter. It will go to the next one. Then we'll now see, we'll go to the next one. Okay, and then let's see if it will enter. Okay, because I don't know why. Let's do it again. All right, let's click on market. This one is supposed to be USDT. Let's click on limit if it would allow us. Okay, so what we have here is at the max. Okay, so it's just giving us like our money back. 19.86. Nah, I want to make sure I have more. So is this gonna allow me to have more? I don't know. Let's go and check. See if I make it 26.900. What will I get? Okay, that's 20. It's looking so small. Okay, maybe we should make this 27,000. Let's see. Okay, if I choose this as, okay, this is going to be extra 10 cents. I'm going to work with that. So let's go ahead and place the order at 27,000. Good. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is supposed to give us 19.96, which is like 10 cents more. Well, let's see how this goes. I'll be back to give you the results. Yes, I'm back, and it has already converted. Okay, yeah. So I guess you're seeing how to do this conversion by limits, right? Because I ain't doing conversion directly, because if you're going to do conversion directly, it's going to give you by market price. Okay, so right now it has hit 27 and it's already converted. Awesome. You can see that, BTC had a bull run, and wow, we made it to 27,000 plus. Good. Now it's coming down, so we're done. So you can see, let me go to BTC USDT to show you what we've got. We've got 20.09. Yeah, remember that this was supposed to be an inter-exchange arbitrage, right? And what stopped us from going on? We didn't get to buy AMB with BTC. We were stuck. And then the price started going up. Let me show you. The price started going up. That was the reason why. You can see right now we were supposed to buy it at 0.000035, and now it has been stuck at 3.6. There really isn't any way we're going to get this bought and make the opportunity work, because if you go over to KuCoin, you will see that it has already changed, and that's what happens, right? You can see that this is in 3578, so it's not even possible because the price is higher in Binance. And if you send it over here, you're just going to lose money. So it doesn't really make any sense. So this is what happens when you don't get to buy that particular coin immediately. And that was what happened to us. So I'm sorry that we didn't make it through down all the way to KuCoin, but along the line, we still made money because we had to sell back. It was just more or less like just doing like a spot trading, even though we didn't intentionally plan it to be spot trading. But whatever happens, make sure you're making profit. I would like to let you guys know that I do these trades live, so I can never predict what's going to happen. I'm showing it to you as it happens step by step, okay? I'm not trying to hide anything. If it works out, I'll let you know. If it doesn't work out, I've made up to almost 5% profit on these trades, and I've also made losses, so I always show it to you because that's the whole idea, showing you the behind the scenes and letting you know exactly what went on. I'm not trying to doctor any videos here. I'm telling you as it is. Because some people say, oh, what was that? That was not an inter-exchange arbitrage. Excuse me? This was an inter-exchange arbitrage opportunity that I found, okay? But it didn't pull through. That's not in my hands. Okay, so sorry for the ranting. Let me go back. Let me go back to, you know, where we started from. So that's the thing. That's the reason why we couldn't get on with this, okay? But the good thing is we made 9 cents. That's the most important thing, right? And that we didn't get a loss, because this is possibly could have happened to be a loss, because if you buy anything and you want to sell it back, you've already made a loss. That's the truth. So that's why we made it a sell limit and took it to 27. Maybe I should have even taken it to 27,100, because it looked like it actually ran all the way. Where did it go to? It got to 27,200. Oh, I should have made more, but that's fine. You know, you never know what happens, because you're not the owner of the platform. Okay? What if I put it at 2,700 and it never got there? And I will be blaming myself. Okay? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all for watching these videos and for learning from it. I got a very sweet message from someone who said he has really been blessed, you know, and he was finding a way to get across to me to bless me back. For me, that's just what makes my heart glad. The fact that you find value in these videos, I'm happy, right? Because I know the mistakes I've made in the past. And if I'm helping someone get out of debt, get out of problem, get out of, you know, mistakes, or get out of losses, it's for me ministry, and I'm happy to do that. And I know that one way or the other, God will bless me back. Yes. Thank you so much once again for watching. I really do appreciate you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining us today. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for liking. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much. So today, what do I have for you? I've got Lena USDT. So let's go over to check the compare markets. What do we have here? We're seeing that USDT, Lena USDT is 0.0099, while Lena BTC is 0.00102. Okay, let's go ahead and see with the simulations what we can get. All right, so we've got our usual $20, right? So let's do this, okay? So what we have here is 2008.63. Let me copy that. And then I'll go over to BTC and try to see if I could sell this, okay? Let's put this here. Okay, now remember that Lena, or let me tell you that Lena doesn't recognize that decimal point. So what we have here now is 0.000742. So let's go ahead and check this out. Let's see if we'll make money with this, okay? Let's check this. So what do we have here? Let's just put this in here. Okay, we've got 44 cents. That looks good. All right, so by the time we do all the, changes and everything, that should give us like about 40 cents. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. So first off, we go back to Lena USDT, and then we pick up the entire thing. It's picking up almost everything. So let me quickly get that screenshot, and then let's go ahead and buy. Wow, we're in the why are we in the queue? Oh, this is the reason. See, this is the reason. So we need to cancel that. You can see it's not the exact price. So let me just cancel that and do that once again. Okay, the price is not current. So let me check. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and see whether it will pick it up. Oh, well, we're here. Anyways, let's see how long this will take. Okay, let me try this 9959. Let's try it out. Let's try it out one more time. One more time. Let's pick up the first red, and then let's go with 100. Okay, if I do that, will it go? Let's see. I think it did. It did. Okay, so like you can see how to get your orders sold immediately, right? I picked up the first red and it went. So how many did I get bought? I bought 2006. Okay, don't forget it was 2008, but now because of trading fees, it's taking off 2 cents. Okay, so let's go over quickly. Let's hope that BTC is still good. Oh no, it doesn't look so. Wow, but anyways, I'm gonna put that as wow, just now. Like it didn't even take not even up to 2 minutes. It was still good. It was still in 102, but anyways, Let's see. It definitely most likely will change again because I can see that we're still good with our USDT, but now the BTC decided to just quickly go down. Let's just keep our fingers crossed. This is what happens at times, and you cannot even be sure of what's going to happen. Okay, so what I want to do is let me see if I put that as what's currently here, 36, but if I put that as 37, let's see if it picks it up. It's still going to give me that. So if I put this at 26, what is it going to give me? No, I don't want that. I don't want that. I want the 37. That's what we're going to work with. Okay, let's go ahead and keep our fingers crossed that it will switch back very soon. Okay, so currently we're in the queue. But don't forget, we bought this. Okay, so let me go and check. Let me check the trade history. We bought this for how much? We bought this for 0.009948. Okay. So, and we spent 19.97. That means that if I go back, I should have 3 cents. Let me see. Lena USDT. Let's see what we have. Will we have 3 cents? Let me see. Okay, we have something not really close, like 2 cents. So that means that it didn't pick up everything. Okay, it picked up like 0. What am I saying? 19.97 something. So anyways, that shows that we still have some money here. So by time this is converted, then we will know exactly what we'll be getting as, what's it called now? Profit. But let's go back to Lena BTC. How did this happen right before our eyes? Come on. How did this happen? This is would I call it the risk associated with doing triangular arbitrage, okay? You have to understand the risks, right? The risks are that while you just, like, for instance, now I just bought Lena USDT, and before I bought Lena USDT, everything was fine, okay? And then within a few seconds, BTC just changed. I mean, we are supposed to get our profit from here. But anyways, I mean, that's what trading is all about. It's all about taking the risk, intelligent risks. You need to be able to manage your money well. You don't want to waste money. Like I always advise that you split your portfolio into different, portions. Don't take your entire amount of money and put it into just one trade. You can get stuck. Yes. What I do is that I do different trades. I do different portions of my money in different trades. That's what I do. And I'm just giving you an example of how to do that. So you don't necessarily have to put your entire funds in just one place. You can get stuck and that can give you high blood pressure. Anyways, let peace reign in your heart. Okay, so that's it. We're on the queue right now. Let's see how long this takes. And I'll be back to give you the results. All right, I'm back. And we're still here. What's going on? Are we still here? Are we stuck? It's back to 0.0102. So what's going on? Well, the thing is, as you can see, we're trying to sell at 0.037. But here, can you see here at the green part here? Can you see that the first green here is 0.00036? All right, so what am I going to do? Let me go and check what's happening to Lena USDT. Has it gone up? It looks like it's gone up. Let's go ahead and get this sold back, right? So let's do this. Let me cancel this, okay? I'm just going to cancel this. Let's go ahead and cancel. And then let's check what we can make, all right? If this is possible, let's see. Let's check. We will make some good money. So let's go ahead and get this sold. Let's get this sold. 1, 2, 3, go. Did I get it sold? Did I get it sold? I think I did. Yeah. Did I? Awesome. This was good. All right. Now, of course, we had to use a boomerang strategy because trying to sell to BTC was taking like forever. Okay. So at least we made money, right? We made 36 cents. Awesome. 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 Yeah. So how much have we made in this? Would we call it triangular arbitrage ton spot trading? Because we were trying to get this sold to BTC and BTC was looking at us like, I'm not ready for you. So let's go see how much we made. And the profit percentage. So that's 36 cents. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay. All right. So let us see. Let us see. That's 20 times, I think that should be 1.8%. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is 1.8%. Well, what were we supposed to make? We're actually supposed to make we're supposed to make 44 cents, right? Yes, that was what we're supposed to make. But now we made 36 cents. So that's like about 8 cents less. And if we look at it, that's still good. I mean, we just tried to sell this to BTC and it was stuck in there. And then we just had to do a boomerang strategy because Lena went up and that gave us an opportunity to make profit. So whatever it is, whether you're going through with the triangular arbitrage or you're not, please always make sure you're making money. We've done quite a number of triangular arbitrages that went through, but we always come across one thing that gives us headache, and that is trying to sell to BTC. And if you check my previous video about, 3 coins that gave me headache trying to sell to BTC, I mean, I did that. You can check that video. It's one of our previous videos, right? You would see that the main issue was trying to sell to BTC, and that shows that there was lack of liquidity. So let me show you. Maybe that's exactly what happened in this situation, because I don't know the reason why. If you look at why it was at 102, and yet let's go check it, because the reason why this keeps on happening, it's quite a funny situation. I just want to check why, because it has gone back to 0.0102, so it should have sold. Okay, look at it now. The volume being sold here, which is BTC volume, is 3 BTC, which really is low. Yes, I agree, but it's not as if it's so bad. I mean, like AMP, that was 0.33. That was even less than half of a BTC. But this is 3 BTC, which is like, if you look at it, 28,000 or 27,000. That's like how much is that? About 75 or almost 80,000, dollars worth of BTC, which should at least have converted. But anyways, that's it. That's the thing about this. You might come across those kind of hiccups, not moving fast. I've done, try to do triangular arbitrage, with Ethereum, with BNB, but BTC has proved some form of, a headache trying to get sold to that. And if we don't get it sold, we cannot get the BTC sold back to USDT to get our profit. But anyways, like I always say, there is a plan B. So don't allow that stress you. You see a triangular arbitrage opportunity, go for it, because there's an opportunity to actually get profit through the triangular arbitrage, or you can do the boomerang strategy, which essentially is spot trading. But the truth of the matter is, whether you go through with the triangular arbitrage or you go through with the spot trading, make sure, number one thing, that you make profit. I hope we've learned a lot today, right? If you've not subscribed to this channel, I'd like you to go ahead and do just that. And if you want to learn more, come on, click on the link in the description and you'll be chatting with me. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Let's try it out. Okay, so let's put in $50. Let's see. It's not that expensive. Let's cut that. And then where did it get to? The last 24 hours. 2440. Okay, let's go and see. Sell. 2440. 2440. Yeah, 0. You see? Interesting. That's a lot. Okay, so let's just put I think we can work with this anyways. Let's see what we can work with. You can work with this VIDT. I just pray that as it's going up, it just keeps on going up. It's not fully on pump mode, but the conditions look right. Let me see. It's the parabolic size is under, and but the RSI is not as high. Okay, let's go ahead and just try this out. Let's put in $50. Let's put in $50. $50. Okay. Let's see. Want to go? Looks like it's in the queue, but I can cancel that. Okay, that means it wants me to buy a higher price. 2210. Okay, let's just try the simulation to see whether we'll make money. 2210. Okay, $50. 2262. So if I make this 2 3, somewhere in between, right? Okay, somewhere in between 2 to 3. Let's see how much we'll make. Wow, it's a lot. It is a lot. So let me pick it. I'll pick it. Oh, sorry. I'll pick the higher price. And let's buy $50 worth. Let's buy it. On to go. Done, obviously. You can see the price automatically changes to 2210. So we go and try this out, okay? So VIDT, let's put 2 to 3 and let's see. Oh, yeah, well, we're just testing it out anyway. 225, and let's see. 89 cents. Can I get it at 227? Let's see what we get. Okay, $1.34. Okay, 227 looks like risky, so let's put 226. Let's put 226. Okay, let's see whether if we put 226 it's gonna work. Okay, not that much. $2, 2% more. Let's move. This one looks like it's gonna go. Let's move. Let's put 226. 226, and then pick up everything. $1 is fine. Okay, that's 2%. That's our target. Okay, so now let's put that in the queue. So it's currently in the queue. VIDT is currently in the queue. All right, let's check the charts one more time. Looks like it's gonna go. It looks like it's gonna go, right? So we wait for it. Okay, we wait for it. All right. I hope it's going up. Well, it's having a little pullback, but it will soon go up. Okay, so VIDT, you're currently on ground. We're moving up by the grace of God. Okay, and then we'll be back. Okay, so we'll check back on VIDT. So that is it. That is it. We're currently on VIDT, as you can see here, and this trade happened like about almost 2 hours after we picked the trade. So I mean, it executed almost 2 hours after we picked the trade, and this is it. Let me just go to, because this happened some couple of hours ago, so let me just open up to the trade history so that we can see it and look at the different points and metrics. Okay, so this is VIDT. So VIDT, we actually bought it at, that was 221. Yes, yeah, that's how much you put. Let me go and check so that I will show you and be sure and be very, very sure. Look at it here. So we bought it here 221. That's how the price we bought it as. And in terms of its executing, we were able to execute it as at the amount of 0.0226, and that gave us, a profit of $1.05. Look at that. That's beautiful. $1.05. That's 50. I mean, that's 51.053. That's glorious. Now removing the fees, that's just like about 105 means minus 5 cents. That means we made $1, which is beautiful. That's 2%. Our 2% target was met and crushed, and we executed beautifully. That's VIDT USDT. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So before we go ahead, before I ship out the profit, let's look at it here again. Now look at what happened in the charts. Let's open the charts so that we can look at the charts very well. So the area we're looking at is here, somewhere in this range, because somewhere here. Yeah, Let me put on, yeah, this is it. To be the red candle, because immediately after it got executed, it started coming down. And now look at it now, it's already going all the way down. It's already trending. That's beautiful. I mean, it was just at the verge of hitting it and then reversing. That is what we call the parabolic stop and reverse. PSAR, parabolic stop and reverse. It was just about getting to that point, and we were able to, get it executed almost immediately. That's beautiful. So it's still trying to find its feet. It's going in a sideways movement. If you look at this, in the sideways movement at this point, it's trying to find its feet, struggling. It has some turbulence and it's trying to stabilize, and somewhere in it, so it's trying to make a decision whether it's supposed to go up or not. But anyways, that's a story for another day. We are currently out of the trade. Beautiful. So VIDT, yeah, good one, yeah. So we made $1.05 minus the fees. We actually made $1, which is 2%. Okay, that's great. So we're going to ship out our profit right about now. OCO versus limit order. Why would I go for that, right? So limit order gives me an opportunity to set the amount I want to get. Okay, now you need to understand it. Limit order gives you an opportunity to set an amount that you want to get. So you set that amount, right? Like we have here, I've said I want to get ARB, I want to make maybe like 1.5%, and I set it. So I mean, in limit order, all I have to do is just put in the amount I want to get, and if you can see it here in the, okay, no, let me show you in the tray here. Let me show you here. So what I'm planning to get is 1.22. That's the price of ARB I want to get, right? But it's currently 1.13, but because it's going down, right? So I'm just going to set it to get that, so that even if it takes me 1 or 2 days, once it gets to 1.22, right, my take profit or my sell limit will be triggered, and I will get the money, and I'll get like the profit that goes with it. Now, on the other hand, with OCO, let me show you. OCO, you gotta have to set your take profit. That's the amount you want to get it as. You put that in here, right? You put that amount here, the price you want to. If that was supposed to be 1.22, I put that. What am I saying? The price is supposed to be 1.22, right? That's the price I want to get it as, right? Then I'll have to put my stop also, right? So if it's going down, I need to put my stop, like 1. That's the stop limit. That's the stop loss, right? I need to put that. So if it goes below, this is currently 1.359. So if it goes below like 1.2, for instance, I don't want to lose my money, right? I don't want to waste time in this trade. So I'm happy, right? I'll be happy to lose a little portion of my money, because a lot of people are saying, why don't you just put stop loss? Why don't you just put the take profit? This is OCO. OCO means one cancels the other, right? One cancels the other. Try and understand that, right? So you're going to put all of this, you put your limit and all of that, the price, the limit price and all of those things. So the price is currently that, and you put your limit price here. Maybe you want it to be 1.23, right? Do you understand that? So now you have 3 prices, and then you have the amount of ARB that you have, right? And then you pick whether it's 100% or whatever. Don't forget that's currently in the trade. So maybe just for the sake of this, maybe I should just cancel that so that you can see what I'm saying. So if I cancel this, don't forget what I put here is 1.22. So you just pick up everything, right? Can you see that? Can you see what's going on here? So all of these things are set. So by the time I click on my sell ARB, 2 things are going to happen. One of 2 things is going to happen, and that's one cancels the other. If for any reason my price doesn't get to 1.22 and it goes low to 1.12, it's going to trigger, and then I lose that money, and I will definitely lose that money, because I'm not going to get my, I'm not going to get the amount I set it as. Okay, but if for instance it doesn't go down to 1.12, right, because that's the point where it triggers, okay, and then it will give me at a lower price. I mean, it will cancel it at my stop loss. It's not going to go all up to OCO again. It's just going to cancel the trade and I lose that money. That's the reason why I personally will not choose OCO, because I want to get the money. Okay, I want the money to get to 1.22 and I get my profit out. Now that's just the difference, right? Let me go to limit, because this is my absolute best, right? So for limit, I'm going to set the price I want. Okay, so I've said I want it as 1.22 for now, because I want to just get some minimal profit and I'll be out, pick up the 100%, be okay with my 63 cents, and I go up. That's like 1.3%. Okay, and now if this takes me 1 day to get there, my money is still safe. It's not going to cancel. If it takes me 2 days to get there, my money is still there. It's not going to cancel. So for me, I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that limit order is still the best. Okay, so that's just a little tutorial about OCO versus limit order. Give a like in the comment. Let me know whether you really understood that and that makes sense. Okay. Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. How has your day been? I hope it has been awesome. I hope it has been beautiful. And I hope you've had awesome results in everything you laid your hands to do. Alrighty, I've got a quick and great news to share with you today. Yeah, I must let you know that I've heard you guys. I've heard what you've said, and I'm here to grant your wishes. Okay, so what we've done right now is that we have come up with a brand new membership level called Shine. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to the place, right? Now, of course, when you come to the page, you'll see that you're subscribed. You'll also see join, because you need to see, well, you have to subscribe first, of course, to see the join. Okay, so I think it just makes sense. Like, if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll see this awesome on our page, right? But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you have to subscribe first to be able to see this tab called join. All you just have to do is click on it, right? And then it shows you all the details about the membership here. So I'm sure you're wondering, why should I be a member of this channel? First of all, you're supporting the channel. You're supporting the channel to the ends of the earth, right? Because we want to take this word out to everyone all over the globe, letting them know how to trade properly, using the right measures, the right techniques, the right strategies. That's why it's called Income Strategies, of course. Yeah, we got to make money consistently. So obviously, right? Very importantly, you're supporting this channel. You're helping us to take this message to more people, right? And of course, you're going to be part of my community. That is one. Then, of course, you're going to get what we call loyalty badges. You're going to be different. You're going to stand out, right? While you're commenting, or maybe you're in the live or in something like that. People will definitely get to know that you are a member of this channel. And not only that, you're going to get custom emojis that you can use in your comments, and then you'll be getting your comments replied to fast as as quick, that kind of thing. Yeah, you're going to get priority replies to your comments, right? The whole idea is that we want to give you something that you would value. You get, and not only that, I have a mighty gift to give you. Once you join today, I'm going to be giving you a compilation of trading bots that you can use to pick trades, execute trades. Not triangular arbitrage, let me tell you that, but it's for spot trading. Like, you can pick up trades based on the configuration that you put into it, right? So I have a compilation of all these trading bots, like about 10 or 11 of them, that you can actually go and check out, go and see whether it's something you would like to do, right? Set it up for your trading adventures, right? Yeah, if you don't want to do it manually, you can get the bots to do it for you. Okay, so I'm going to give you that, that awesome compilation of trading bots when you join. And you're going to see that on the membership community tab. When you get into the membership, you get this compilation of this trading bots. You're going to get it in the membership. Okay, you'll just see it on the welcome message when you get inside of the community. Yes, the link to see all the compilations, right, is going to be inside of the membership, and you get that as your welcome gift. I hope that makes you happy, right? I hope that makes you happy. Thank you once again, right, for being a member, but for being a subscriber. But now I would love you to please go the next step to be a member. I'm sure you're wondering how much is it, right? It's very cheap, very, very cheap. In fact, like I said, it's a no-brainer price. I don't know how much it's going to show. This is in Naira. This is just 300 Naira. It's practically nothing money, okay? So if you want to take advantage of it, all you just have to do is click on join, right? And then it brings up, information about your card, and then all you just have to do is click on subscribe, and you can cancel at any time. But I believe that if you're getting value from this channel, I'm sure you wouldn't want to cancel, right? Because the value keeps on coming. Okay. The value keeps on coming. All righty, I hope this has been very interesting news, helpful news for you, and I know that you want to support me in my journey in giving back value to the society. Okay. And if you do, please don't forget, just click on the link in the description and you'll be able to join our YouTube membership. You can click on the link in the description to do that, or you can just come to my page. If you're on the page already, you'll see join, and that's it. Okay. That's all you just got to do. And thank you once again. I want to thank you in advance, because I know that you really love what I'm doing. I know that you really want to support this channel, and I know that you want to help us take this message far and wide, right? To get more people to be blessed, to get more people to understand this message, to get more people unstuck. Okay. Because we don't want them stuck in their trades, because that's what we do. Every single day, at least one video we'll share, so that people can actually get knowledge and be educated and move on forward in their trading adventures. A lot of people have had their fingers burnt in different kind of trades, and you don't want anything like that to happen, right? You want people to learn and also be blessed. All right. Thank you once again for listening to this beautiful, awesome, great announcement that I have, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Take care. Have a great day. Bye. PNG. Okay, maybe I'll look at this PNG. It looks like it's still in pump mode. And let's check RSI. RSI looks like it's still going up. Okay, let's check it out. Let's try this one out. I hope we won't waste too much time here. But it looks like it's still in pump mode. You can see that's still going up. Well, it had a little pullback, but let's hope that this will be good. All right, so let's put in the amount and see. Let's do a quick simulation. Let's see. Let's calculate that. Let's copy that, cut it out, and let's see, where did it get to the most? It moved to what? 2798. Is that where it went to? So let's do 27 and see. All right, 2798. Let's put 27 there. Let's see whether I will get there. And then okay, $53. Oh, that's interesting. Let's put 26. Let's put 26. Let's put, oh, come on. Let's put 26. Let's see whether that will work for us, and then we'll go with it. Okay, 51.14. That's not bad. So let's go. Let's buy this. It's like it's going up. It is going up. Yeah. Let's buy this out. Let's put up the whole $50. Let's go ahead and buy. Let's see whether we can get it bought. Perfect. Yeah, I hope we were able to buy it. Did we buy it? Did we? Oh, yeah, we did. So it's time for us to set our sell limit. Okay. So our sell limit, we have said we're setting it to 26. Okay. And then we'll pick up everything. Oh, let's see. Put that in there. And we set our sell limit. Perfect. So we're currently in the queue. All right. Let's see how this goes. Let's check the charts again. The chart is looking good. It's going up. Yeah, pushing up. All we just have to do is to get to this point. We just need to get, what am I saying? Because we don't need to get that far. We just need to get to this point. Yeah, and then we're good. So that's not a far distance. Come on, push it up. You can do it. Yeah, go ahead, PNG. You can do it. Yeah, tell me that in the comments that PNG can do it. Just say PNG, you can do it. All right, PNG. Have we cashed out? Let me see. How much did we buy it as? It's supposed to be 26, right? How much did we buy it? I think we bought it as 2542. Let's see what it is now. 257. Let's see if there's any money to be made. Let's see if there's any money to be made. Let's see. Let's sell. Let's see. Oh, there's money to be made. Let's go ahead and sell. Oh, we're currently in the queue. Let me cancel that. If I choose a smaller amount, whether I could still make some money. Let's see, 2 5. No. I don't think so. It's not giving me that money back. So let me see. Let me see. 55 cents. Well, I don't mind. Will this? Do you think this will go up? It looks like it would. 257 already. But I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it's not giving it. Let's just go for. It's over 1%. Let's see if we can do that, and let's come back and see whether it would actually execute. 55. That's 55 cents. It's like about one point something percent. 1 point what? What's 55? That's 1.2 also. Let me be sure. I don't even know what it is. At times mathematics fails me. So let me just check 1 point last time. Times what? 1.1. Yeah, 1.1%. Well, that's not bad. Let's wait and see. I mean, it's better to be safe than sorry. If it goes up, if it just pushes up by one, yeah, we'll get it sold. All right.
Wahoo! PNG has already executed. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at it. 55 cents. Yeah. Let's see. It could have actually have made us more, I think. But let's see whether it really did go to the 2.7. I'm not sure it went to 2.7. I think it definitely went to 2.6. Yes, it ran to 2.6, which was good, right? Because we wanted to go to 2.7, but we just chose something cheaper, something that was easier for it to run to, and it got executed. Let me see, how much did it get executed as? I think it executed at what amount? Let me check. It sold at 257. Oh, it actually went to 256. But it told us we just made it go to 257 so that we can quickly get out of it, right? But it actually went to 256. So our predictions were actually correct that we could actually have gone to 256. Let me check that one more time. At least it went all the way to 256. Okay, that's fine. At least we are sure of this. Maybe do we want to try this out one more time? Do we want to do this one more time? Let me check this out. It looks like it's in pump mode. Yeah, I think I'll try this out one more time. Let's go. There's no harm in it. Let's go with. So we have 555. I'm going to ship out the. I'm only going to put $50 in there. Let's put $50 now. Let's put $50 in there. I'm just going to quickly. Let me not. I was going to ship out. Let me just put $50 in there. Right? No, before I do this, ship out everything before you put anything in it. All right? Ship it out. It's just so that we're sure. Let's put it in fiat. Let's just ship out that profit so that we are sure that we are working with what we need to work with. Okay? Good. Okay, shipped out. Shipped out. Okay? Let's go on. So let's get back into our $50. So we'll do that again, right? It's looking like it's going. It's moving. Let's go ahead and buy. It will go. Yeah, I think we have bought it. Let's take it to 2.7. Whether it's gonna go. It looks like it's gonna go. It looks like it's going to go. Right? So if it's gonna go, let's put it there. Let's put that at 2.7. Let's see whether it's actually going to work. Okay, let's go. Let's try it out. 2%. Here we come. All right, so we're currently in the queue. Let's see whether it's going to go or it's not going to go. So how much did we buy this one at? Oh, it went down. It went down. Anyways, that's it. We went into it because we believe it was going to go. Anyway, how much did we buy it as? We bought it as PNG. Let me check how much we bought it. 2635. Is that how much we bought this other one? 2648. Okay. 2648, 2635. Let's see how it goes, right? Well, it's going up. I
think it's going back up. It's just flipping and flopping. It will go up, right? So we put it as 2.7. I think that's how much we put it as 2.7, and we'll wait and see. Or do we want to just go and adjust it a bit? Maybe we should. The other time we lost out on some amount of money because we put it at a very conservative amount, but I think it should push up. It should push up. It went to 2.7. Let me see where it went to. It actually went to 2.678. 2.678. Okay, let me check what that is. If I put 2.678, I just cancel it out, and let's just see what that would be. If we put 2.678, let me put 2.678 and see what that's going to give us. 2.678, and let's see, 57 cents. Okay, that's another 1%. All right, do I want to try that out? Do I want to try this out? I'm not sure. I think I want to go with my 2.7 because it looks like this is going to run. Okay, but remember, if you're not watching, let me see. Is it going up? 2.612. Let's wait and see a bit to see what it will do. Whether another one will just make it run up. I don't know. Let's wait and see if this is gonna go. But meanwhile, I think I'm just gonna put in. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm trying to see what is his next move. Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go up? If it's gonna go up, then I will just go with it, with a higher one. 2.6. Okay, let me just stay on the safe side. Let me stay on the safe side, and then I'm just going to put 2.696. Let's see, just to be on the safe side. Okay, not bad. If I come back and I see that it is going up slightly and it's not sure, I'll come back and change it. All right, let's hope this will quickly execute, and we'll be back to check the results. Whoop, whoop. Can you see that? PNG has executed a second time. Awesome. Awesome. And what do we have here? We've got 99 cents. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is practically almost $1. That's interesting. That is interesting. Can you just see that? We made almost $1, which was almost 2% on PNG. PNG1, PNG2. Now remember that in PNG1, we got 55 cents. We were just trying to be conservative and just get out of the trade. And now we did the second one, and of course, this is awesome. This is beautiful, right? We were able to get almost 2% on this trade. That's like 1.98%. Beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. I'm so excited. Come on, give me a hand clap, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Thank you so much once again for watching. I hope you've learned something. So PNG did us good, right? And we're able to come out, do this trade twice, and it worked 2 times. I'm thinking of should I do a third time? I'm not sure I want to do that. Oh no, it's already experiencing its pullback. So we're good. We're quickly out of it, and we're able to make some good money. So together we made 99 cents second round and 55 cents. That's like about $1.54, right? $1.50. Is it $1.54?